dirt. Damn it.
Hey everyone, today on Feathers Off Road I've got a quick one for you. A little bit of brake pedal manipulation. You'll remember from my South Skyline Trail video that I had crashed into the trees and kind of bent it a little bit, and then because I couldn't use the brake pedal I kept just kind of crashing and dropping and crashing and dropping, and then eventually got home and this is what I was left with.
So this is the aftermath. And I'm actually not sure I can bend it, because it's gonna have to come straight forward, and I think it's gonna break right there. But we'll try. Let's see what we can do. Well, that's pretty much what I expected was gonna happen. I got it started to bend back, but couldn't get it much straighter, like up in here. So I think what I'll do now is go see if there's any matches. I don't know, like I've said in a couple videos, I think it's mostly Honda parts, so I'm gonna go look at some diagrams and see if I can't find a Honda replacement for this.
And unfortunately I haven't been posting a lot of videos because I'm still dealing with this. I think the next step I'm actually going to go try and get it welded, but so far I haven't found a Japanese OEM pedal that fits this. There are a couple of Kawasaki brake pedals that are kind of close. I reached out to Nicot directly. They said maybe try some Honda 2015 CRF 250, I think they said. That doesn't look close at all from the diagrams, so I'm still looking. I'll probably have this welded, but you know, it would be nice if Nicot would just kind of send me one or let me order one, but so far we haven't been able to even do that. So this is definitely the first negative that I've come across here with the Chinese bike. I actually thought parts would be a lot easier to get, but this is I've been out of commission now for at least a month dealing with this, just kind of off and on. I've been busy with work too, so anyway, I'll keep you updated. Let's call this part 1, and I'll post another one. And until next time, enjoy the ride.